To an update now on the PowerSchool cyber attack. The education software giant has started notifying individuals who are impacted by this massive data breach.
Consumer investigative reporter Bianca Beltran takes a look at the numbers here in Massachusetts. Bianca.
And JC, in Massachusetts, companies are legally required to report data breaches affecting residents' private data. So we checked their latest report and found thousands of people in the Commonwealth had sensitive information breached.
It's being called one of the largest breaches of children's personal information in the U.S.
I definitely think that there's more to come.
PowerSchool, a software that more than 18,000 schools use to support over 60 million students across North America, confirmed the breach early January. Wellesley, Needham, and Hopkinton school districts were among those affected by the cyber attack. While the company has not provided an exact number of affected individuals, they have started to file incident reports with several state attorneys general. According to Massachusetts' latest data breach notification report, on January 28th, PowerSchool reported that 18,476 residents were impacted, with both social security numbers and medical records being breached.
While the social security number, sort of the primary identifier we all use, is super important and useful for identity theft, it's not the most valuable component of things that can be found in student records, which can oftentimes include things like medical information.
According to their notice of data breach, PowerSchool says the type of information exposed varies by district. Cybersecurity expert Jack Danahy recommends freezing your kid's credit and staying on top of any unusual mail that arrives at home.
Be aware of any information that comes back from healthcare insurers, healthcare providers about billability for services that you're not expecting to have seen, right? Sometimes people can think it's junk mail, maybe they won't take a look at it, but be aware that if there's any kind of healthcare charge fraud going on, that can come through traditional mechanisms like the mailbox to let them know that something's going on, and there's a potential that there may be some healthcare fraud associated with this identity theft of the student information as well.
Now, PowerSchool says the incident has since been contained, but anyone who believes they may have been impacted can enroll in free credit monitoring and identity protection services. As for freezing a child's credit, that may be a bit more complicated, so we have a guide on what you need to know on our website. Reporting in the studio, I'm Bianca Beltran, NBC 10 Boston.